simple, something that we can remember how to follow the rhythm. That was song 1. The second thing you need to notice from the book. This is not for the student because maybe student won't know what is this, right? But you can see how many bars of intro you have here. So you have 4. Like Koyan. Or 1, 2, 3. Yesterday we did differently because the other book was there. But actually how it's written in our book is that there is this phrase, right? Sh, B, B. Right? But that's not difficult, it's just we need to just look at it. Okay? Now, when we have this sign, guess what is this? This. So what we're learning today is, for example, in keyboard, you need both hands, right? So you need to learn how you're going to combine that you're playing the same thing or you're playing. What is the coordination? That, okay, 1, 2, 3, this move, that move, that move. That's it. Same thing happens with dance, right? We need to learn, like, okay, I'm doing like this, I'm doing like this. That's having coordination. But when we are working on that coordination, that will also help in how we are wiring the brain. How we're wiring the brain in the sense that what are the elements that we need to do any kind of activity. We need coordination and concentration. And then we need observation also, right? So once you know that, okay, for mathematics, if I have to do 2 into 10 or 2 into 10, you need to use the logic. Same thing here. We're trying to coordinate between two things.